Digitizing your photos is a great way to bring them into the digital age so that you can share and enjoy them. So let's check out Google Photoscan for scanning your printed photos. I'm all about a bit of scanning of your printed images. Not only does it preserve those photos for future generations, but enables you to be able to share those photos around the world. There are a range of options when it comes to scanning your photos, including specialist photo scanners that will do a great job with your photos. But there are also photo scanning apps out there if you don't have the budget to invest in a specific photo scanner. Google Photoscan is just one of the photo scanning apps out there, but how do you use it and is it any good? Let's check it out. What is Google Photoscan? Google Photoscan is a free app that helps you scan and digitize your old printed photos. The real bonus when it comes to Google Photoscan is how it digitizes your image. It uses your phone's camera to take multiple photos of your image and then uses machine learning to stitch the photos together so that it can remove glare and other imperfections. How to use Google Photoscan.
Firstly, download the Google Photoscan app to your phone and open it up. Before you scan your photo, there is a couple of settings at the bottom left that you need to decide on. The first setting will turn off your flash. So if the light is poor, you can use the flash on your phone to illuminate the image. The next one along is the glare reduction. This is the magic of Google Photoscan, so leave it on. To capture the image, position the image within the frame and tap the shutter button to take a photo. 4 white dots will now appear and you need to move your phone to capture the 4 dots following the arrow. Move the phone slowly over the photos, keeping the phone as parallel to the photo as possible. Google Photoscan will automatically take multiple photos of the photo. Once the Photoscan has finished scanning the photo, it will automatically stitch the photos together and remove the glare and other imperfections. Once scanned, you can then rotate the image if you want. You can also adjust the crop by moving the frames, and then you can share the photo however you want, but it will also save the image directly into your Google Photos account.
Top tips for using Google Photoscan. In order to get your best image from Google Photoscan, make sure your photo is in a well-lit area, even if you're using the camera flash to be able to illuminate your photo, as this is going to give you a little bit of a glare. Make sure the photo is on a flat surface and keep the phone as parallel as possible when scanning it, and move it slowly over the photo so the image is going to be as smooth as possible. If the photo has a lot of detail, you may need to scan it multiple times to get a good result. The pros of Google Photoscan. The biggest benefit of Google Photoscan is that it is free, so you don't need to spend any money to be able to scan your photos. But an added extra bonus is that it will automatically remove any glare and other imperfections, which is amazing. Also, a nice feature is that it will auto save your scanned photos into Google Photos, so you can access them from anywhere. The cons of Google Photoscan. Like any photo scanning app for your phone, the biggest con is the scanned photos are only going to be as good a quality as the camera on your phone. So the quality and the resolution may not be as good as a dedicated photo scanner, and definitely not suitable for enlarging of photos. Also, in order to work and access the AI features, Google Photoscan requires a good internet connection to work. So it's not going to work if you are out of Wi-Fi range. You can scan multiple images at once on one page, but it doesn't crop out the multiple photos into individual images like PhotoMine does. So it's one at a time and therefore a lot of patience for a lot of photos. My view of Google Photoscan. Overall, Google Photoscan is a great way to digitize your printed photos. It's free, it's easy, and also the fact that it automatically removes glare and imperfections is a total bonus. However, like any other phone photo scanning app, it's limited to the quality of the camera and the resolution you are going to get. So for me, scanning photos with any photo app should only be done as a temporary way to share your images and not a way to record your lifelong photo legacy. So there you have it, the lowdown on Google Photoscan. What are your go-to photo scanning apps? I would love to hear about them in the comments below. Are you confused about which is the best cloud storage for your photos? Then check out my nifty tool to find the best cloud storage for your photos. That can be accessed through the link below, so click through and check it out. If you enjoyed this video, then you know what to do. Give it a like and a share, and why not subscribe? Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.